Capricorn, I want to be a Sagittarius right now. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. Check your other placements. And if you have Sagittarius, I would check that reading because it was pretty amazing. Energies do go both ways. Keep that in mind. I could be reading for a cross watcher. If the energies resonate, like, share, subscribe. Click the notification bell. That way your energies are incorporated into the channel and I could better pick up on your energy. Time is fluid. This is for August 2022 for the lovely Capricorn. And your person of interest, should you have one. If you are interested in a private reading, Etsy is in the description box. Romantic love and soul time. Everything about you and what you exude, Capricorn, is expressed in the time in which you spend with your significant other. That time that you share with him or her, okay? Is an embodiment of who you are. A time to give rather than take. And a time to breathe out. All right, let's see what's going on, Capricorn. What's the situation for Capricorn? I'm getting this need to tell you to relax. I don't know why. Six of Wands is your situation. I feel like there's a leveling up for you. You're entering a new phase of development. Your challenge is the Queen of Swords is your challenge. What's at the foundation, Capricorn? This son of a bitch guy or girl. The Page of Swords. What brought you here? Page of Pentacles. I shouldn't really say that about the Page of Swords because Page of Swords isn't always a bad, negative energy, I should say. What is the heart of the reading? Where are you currently? Four of Wands. It's nice energy. It's nice energy. Where are you headed? Four of Pentacles. Okay. Where is the future? Capricorn. Standoffish. Maybe, maybe not. Fighting for it. Fighting for the connection, perhaps. Unknown. What is the unknown energy for Capricorn? Two. Want to come out the Nine of Cups and the Six of Cups. Hopes and fears for Capricorn. Hopes and fears for Capricorn. Four of Swords. What is the potential outcome? The Queen of Pentacles, your energy. You have the Star. You have the Queen of Wands. You have the Knight of Wands. You have the Sun. And you have the King of... Wow. Okay. So underneath the bottom of the deck, you have the Star. very similar to Sagittarian energy. You have both the King and Queen of Wands, the Knight of Wands, the Ace of Swords, and the Sun. Okay. Somebody's hoping for something here. Okay, your potential outcome is your energy in its element. Divine masculine, divine feminine, it does not matter. A time to give rather than to take. Very nurturing, caring, loving, kind. The husband or wife of the deck. The situation is the Six of Wands. Wanting to reconcile, move forward, advance. Challenge might be communication. Clarity or need to clarify communication. This Queen of Swords has his or her back toward the situation, and also the sword, this is challenge, has it pointed at the foundation. What's going on with the Six of Wands, please, for Capricorn? We're in our head. More swords. You or your person are in the clouds. There's a need to break free of some restriction. What's going on here? That's the challenge with the Queen of Swords. What is going on with the Six of Wands, please? What's the truth for Capricorn? Why are they putting themselves in this situation? Why can't they move forward when it's their wish, it's their hope, it's their desire? Ace of Swords. That's your challenge. Some need for some truth and clarity. The need to cut something or someone out. That's the hope. This ace is double-edged. It's a new beginning in communication, clarity, information, enlightenment. Okay, one can't move forward. They're stuck in their head. Okay, 8 swords plus an Ace of Swords is 9 of Swords. This is mental anguish. Someone needs some truth, clarity. That's why there's a challenge. The challenge is the Queen of Swords, because the Queen of Swords, she wants the truth. She demands the truth. She needs it. And or she cuts out what isn't truthful, the dishonesty, in order to be authentic, you know. What's up with the Queen of Swords? What's the truth about the Queen of Swords? 5 of Swords. Whatever is disturbing or gotten in the way of your connection or the connection with yourself in order to have a prosperous connection with someone else, that's the challenge. It's being cut away. The 5 of Swords, 2 of Cups, bottom of the deck. 2 of Cups, 3 of Pentacles, teamwork. The 5 of Swords is one-upmanship. It's change, okay? So, but this is multiple involvement. It's meddling. Because at the foundation here, you have this page, which could be an external energy, okay? But it has to do with gathering information, stalking, spying, immature. You and your person could have or could be, because this is all communication cards, okay? They're all swords. They're all mental, Capricorn. And Capricorn, you're earth. Your earth energy, so you're very stable, grounded. These are Libra, Gemini, Aquarian energy, earth energy, Aquarius energy here. But miscommunication, even excuse me, this is manipulation. So there might be the inability to move forward here with the Six of Wands, reconcile, potential celebration, marriage, because of manipulation and other people getting in the way, or even you getting in the way of yourself, self-sabotage, that you and your partner doing this to one another. I saw the king of swords, queen of swords. This has a lot, Sagittarian energy is here. One more, because I also saw the 8 of Wands. What is the truth with this Queen of Swords, please? 9 of Cups. The 9 of Cups is wish fulfillment. It's like the minor arcana of the star. It's also gluttony. Like this guy's in a bar. And 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He's got 8 cups. He's holding up 1. Could be considered the ace. 8 cups is walking away. The 9 of Cups is not just wish fulfillment, it's overindulgence in your wish fulfillment. This could be the need of cutting out, that's the challenge, overindulgence. 8 to the 9 here, and what you don't know. Or 9 of Cups, excuse me. You have 9 of Cups twice. So the challenge here is cutting out or speaking about what you don't know. Here is 9 of Cups. You have 9 of Cups twice here. So there's wish fulfillment, but yet the 9 of Cups also can exemplify the need to moderate that. 5 of Swords is self-sabotage. What is going on? Challenge position with this page. Gathering information, stalking, immature conversation. In the foundation, what's up with the page? 7 of Cups. Options, illusions, fantasies. Gathering all the information we need on these cups. Your energy coming in slow. 3 of Wands, waiting for your ships to come in. And Temperance. What's up with the Page of Swords? Queen of Cups. So you have the Queen or King, doesn't matter, no gender. Queen of Cups, love. The foundation. Options in love. Overall energy, wish fulfillment. Cutting out the options. Gathering all the necessary information to choose which cup. Queen of Cups. So in the past, there was an offer. Okay? As well as the Page of Pentacles too, similar to the Page of Swords in communication. Page of Pentacles also gathers information. So there was a small offer, small token. Too many, thank you. Earth energy, your energy. I saw the Sun. What is this page? I saw the Hierophant. What is this page? Thank you. Too many though. The Hierophant again. Page of Pentacles in the past for Capricorn. The King. You have the King and the Queen. Your energy. Maybe the hope that this pentacle would turn into where you're at the current situation, the Four of Wands. Took a rest, took a reprieve. Four of Swords. So the King or Queen of Pentacles offered the pentacle, could have a family here too, okay? And then decided to take a step back. All right, so now you're revisiting it. You or your person, because here you are. This again could be a family because you have the Four of Wands. Wanting it, hoping for it, desiring it. All right, coming back in with this Knight of Wands at some point with the Sun. Okay, remember these are energies with the Ace of Swords. You have the Ace of Swords twice with passion. You also have the King and Queen, okay, of Wands. Wanting to move forward, but up in your head, still needing to gather information, still needing truth and clarity, still needing to cut something, someone out of the off. What's going on with the Four of Wands, please? Currently. Yeah, waiting for your ships to come in. The Three of Wands to the Four of Wands after having already taken a break. Ace of Cups. And the Ace, oh my goodness. Okay. Situation. This is the foundation, the Page of Swords, Page of Swords. Gathering the information necessary for Lovers. Making that choice. Come in, Knight of Cups, Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands, Ten of Cups. Either to restore a happy home after having taken a break, gaining the clarity, cutting this off, whatever this is with this Queen of Swords, this needs to be either discussed, cut out for this wish fulfillment. But there are choices and options here. That's what this Page of Swords, there's wants to be a renewal for this love, this Queen of Cups, this love offer. One more on this Four of Wands, please. Anxiety. We're holding back here. Someone is. The Four of Pentacles. Someone is holding back. Why? Or holding on. Eight of Pentacles. Work. The Fool. The Sun. It happened to fall out. I couldn't help it. Future position, Seven of Wands. Queen of Wands. Too many. Capricorn. Yeah, I was just going to say, you have choices. Two of Wands, Queen of Wands, Seven of Wands in the future. Now, sometimes all these court cards are indicative of other people. Like, the Queen of Cups can be, obviously, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag, right? Queen of Pentacles, the earth element. Sometimes they're indicative of separate elements. Other times they embody all of the same element in one person, one energy. I'm not sensing that that's the case for you right now. I'm feeling that you're showing up in this reading as yourself, as an earth energy. If you're the divine masculine or the divine feminine, you're either the overall energy of the Queen or King of the Pentacles, and in the past energy of the King or Queen of Pentacles. You're showing up in your own energy, offering this pentacle. However, I feel as though this Queen and this Queen are two separate queens or kings. If you're the divine masculine, they're queens. If you're the divine feminine, they're kings. And you have a choice. Or your person does. Between these two. That's why there's anxiety here. And the Two of Wands to the Three of Wands. And that's why we're on a break here in the past. Something was offered, either by you or your person. Either it was offered to you or you offered it to your person. That's why we need clarity. That's why something needs to be cut out. That's why the Ace is here. That's why we can't move forward. That's why we're up in our head. It's a wish fulfillment, but there's also choices. That's why we're gathering information. That's why we're holding on, we're holding back from this leap of faith, this risk, putting in work or throwing ourselves into work, whatever the case may be, putting work into ourselves, or because there is a choice. There's a choice. So, and that's what's hidden. Okay? That's what's hidden. You have it here in the challenge, the Nine of Cups. You have it here in the hidden, the Nine of Cups. It's coupled with the past energy. Past energy. That's why you went either ghost, you went MIA, you went quiet, you went Four of Swords in the past. You or your person. That's the challenge. 4 of Swords, 5 of Swords. 4 of Swords in the past, 5 of Swords in the challenge. Succession. 5 of Swords is multiple people. 5 of Swords is one-upmanship. 5 of Swords is fighting. Why? Because the Queen here, okay, in the challenge needs to cut off some wish fulfillment, whatever this is in the hidden that is connected. 9 of Swords in the challenge, excuse me, 9 of Cups in the challenge, 9 of Cups in the hidden, connected to the past. It has to do with options. Queen of Cups or King of Cups, Queen of Wands or King of Wands. A choice. Waiting for your ships to come in. Okay, I hope that was clear. So, what is this hidden 9 of Cups? Temperance, Sagittarius energy, patience. Patience. What is the 6 of Cups? Eight of Wands. How would you know if you don't get communication? Now, in the past, you have 4 of Swords. And in the hopes and fears, there's 4 of Swords. Like, it's like you're communicating through the ethers. The two of you might, it seems like you're not communicating. And if you are, you're not communicating. There's so much anxiety. 5 of Wands. One more. And the World. Queen of Pentacles. 3 of Pentacles. Wheel of Fortune. Oh my God. What a disaster. It's not a disaster, but it's like, you or your person have why does everybody have all these like indecisive, you know what, I'm going to tell you why. It's simple. Lack of communication. Lack of clear-cut, honest communication. It's that freaking simple. I mean, look, you have you're up in your 8 of Wands. Excuse me, 8 of Swords. 8 of Swords. 8 of Cups. Ace of Swords. Why in God's name would anybody walk away from an Ace of Wands and an Ace of Swords? Please tell me. Unless they're in complete denial. They're fearful. It makes absolutely no sense to me when the situation is wanting a 6 of Wands, wanting to move forward, wanting recognition, wanting reconciliation, wanting to reunite, but being all up in your head about it and walking away from wanting a brand new beginning and a reunion in communication and passion. Because the challenge is cutting out other people's bullshit. I mean, instead of talking about it, yeah, freaking 9 of Cups. I mean, that's what you want. 9 of Cups, 9 of Cups. The challenge is cutting out someone else's wish fulfillment. Five of Swords, Nine of Cups. What's with this Nine of Cups? Is people just don't have the balls. Four of Pentacles. You know what this Nine of Cups is? I'm telling you that right now. Or this Four of Pentacles. And this Nine of Cups. This Page of Swords. The options. Cutting out the options. Three of Swords. The third party. What was this Queen of Cups energy? It's the third party that's meddling. Three of Swords, Four of Swords. Knight of Swords. There is an energy that keeps entering into Capricorn, this relationship, uninvited. It's like that Alanis Morissette song, Uninvited. Look up the lyrics. And it's an uninvited energy. Four of Swords in the past. And that's why someone here is just like, you know what? If that's your Nine of Cups, if that's your star, if that's your wish fulfillment, I'm out. Yeah. But yet in the past, they take a reprieve, right? It's like they offer something, or something was offered to them, right? With this Page of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles. But then with the Four of Swords, it's like, you know what though? I'm going to take a step back. However, you're my Six of Wands. Six of Wands. I want to move forward. I want recognition. But they take a step back because there's this uninvited energy. You sit in the Four of Wands. Three of Wands, waiting for your ships to come in, but with anxiety. Shit. This is where you are. Ace of Cups and Two of Cups. This touches the entire reading. This is your energy right now at the heart of the matter. This is what you want. This is where you're at. Four of Wands. You're waiting for it. Three of Wands. You're manifesting it. 3 to the 4. Yet, okay, up all night, please, Lord have mercy, haunted, wondering if it's going to come in. But this is it. This is how you're feeling inside. Because there's some, you feel like a choice that someone, you or your person, okay, whatever, whichever way this goes, is cutting. This is everything you want. So you're moving into the future. Oh, Lord. What is with this Two of Swords? No, excuse me. The Queen of Wands. Show me the Queen of Wands and the Two of Wands. Queen of Wands. King of Cups. Queen of Cups, King of Cups. The Knight of Cups wants to give the cup. That's the foundation here. But it can't happen because there's an uninvited energy. Wants to give it. There's a choice here. Wants to give the cup. The Ace of Cups, the Two of Cups. Wants to. That's the foundation. Sitting in it. Hello. Ten of Cups, Nine of Cups, Ten of Cups. That's the choice. Someone doesn't recognize here that the choice has been made. Like each of you are choosing one another. Like this is it. Like each of you are choosing one another. This choice between two has already been chosen. It's even here in the hidden realm. It's just that the two of you aren't discussing it or coming together. Of course, there's fear. Emperor. Foundation. The Magician. You have all the tools to make this work. Capricorn, you are your person. Whatever energy was disturbing this, Ace of Pentacles. A new start is coming. Communication is key. Meditate and contemplate. It's time to breathe out. There was an uninvited energy here that at some point one of you thought, or both of you thought, there was a choice that needed to be made between two. That choice has been done and over with. And yet I think, you know, one or two of you are ruminating over what may or may not have transpired in the past, and you're still sitting there. But that's over. Like you've chosen one another. Like that's clear as day here. Like that third party's done. It's over. All right, that's what I have for you, Capricorn. I hope that helped. Whew. Luminous light, love, and blessings always. Until next time. Peace out. Bye.